My name is YC. I'm the founder and CEO of Lubn. My journey started from 2016 when I built, me and my co-founder built a prototype. I was working in Microsoft, busy at work. I have two young kids, and also I need to manage my rental properties. At the time, really hard for me to juggle between all these three tasks. When I met JD the first time in the office, we were all excited about this project, and it helped us to use our budget smartly and also help us reduce the risk. And this actually reduced a lot of friction in my mind. This is the first LTE category M key box. A lot of people waiting for this product. A lot of them are asking me, hey, can I get this tomorrow? I wouldn't believe 4 years later I would be in here having this level of the product, how mature, how beautiful it is, get us the Innovation Award of CES 2019 this year. I'm really thankful for this opportunity. Thanks for letting me to talk to you, Todd, and hopefully to everyone else out there who has this vision and inspirations that want to bring to the world and make the world better.